receiving your way out of here to fight the sky.
Okay, got you. Appointment with us today? Yes. Okay. Do you know who your tech is? Okay.
Y'all, when I was trying to get ready and stuff for the nail salon, I was rushing so bad. I literally forgot my camera and then I ran back in the house to come get it. That's what I get for always rushing. But hey y'all, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what convinced me to get my nails done at 9:30 in the morning. I was so tired, so sleepy. But this is my nails. I think they are so cute. Like, look at the little star and then the charm or whatever. They is so cute. Like, I got a lot planned to do today. Savannah had came up with this idea, right? Y'all been in school and y'all did like all about me posters. We're gonna do those, but we're gonna do them on each other. So like, she gonna make a poster that's all about me and I'm gonna make a poster that's all about her. Whoever lose gonna take the other one out to dinner. We just be doing shit, like just be doing shit. I'm doing my first ever meal prep. Like, I'm meal prepping today. I'm kind of scared. Like, I'm ready to start meal prepping. I'm meal prep right now. I feel like this is gonna take so long, y'all. Like, I ain't never did this before, but I'm cooking 2 different meals. I think to start off, I'm just gonna start cooking the sides and then I'm gonna cook the meats last. Yeah, I think that's what I'm finna do. I think that's gonna be the easiest fucking option for me. So I'm gonna try to make the marry me chicken with rice and broccoli. Oh, I got some broccoli too. I'm gonna make steak, peppers, potatoes. Alright, so I'm taking these potatoes right here and I'm finna wash them. Put them in this little strainer and wash them and shit. Y'all, let me tell y'all about my little Christmas vacation that's turning into a family Christmas vacation. Like, so me and Savannah had planned to go to New York for Christmas this year, right? And she ended up telling her sister, and then her sister ended up come, right? Then I ended up telling my mama, so then my mama and my brother is gonna come as well. And then my mama told my nana, so now my nana is going. So it just turned, it went from a vacation to a family vacation, but it's gonna be so fun. I've been to New York a couple times already, but I've never been on Christmas, so like, I feel like that's gonna be so fun. And then for Thanksgiving, they having this little big Thanksgiving theme thing where each family wearing a different color or something. I don't know. I might go out there, I might not. I was go like cook some stuff for Thanksgiving. I don't think I am. I was gonna say what was that, but that's, I don't think I am. But yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm finna take the potatoes and I'm cutting them in like 4s. So I'm gonna cut it down the middle and then I'm gonna cut it like this. So I'm gonna do that to all of them, just cut them into 4s. Alright y'all, so I finished cutting the potatoes. I cut them into little 4s. They look bummed, don't they? I know. We finna start seasoning. I'ma season these so that I can put them into this. Let me get it. To this thing, and I'm just gonna let them sit in here and cook. I'ma speed through the seasonings real quick. Okay? Okay. I got this big ass thing of oil. Like, I hate that shit. Alright, y'all. So now we're ready to get this pot, rinse it out, put some water in it, put it on the stove, let it boil. We're ready to start cooking our rice. Okay? I got my pot of water, put it on the stove. Alright, so I'm getting another pot. We're cooking the broccoli. Get you a measuring cup. We're gonna measure out 1 cup of water and let that boil. Okay? I like this song, y'all. It's the type of music I be wanting to put in my vlogs, y'all, but I don't. Alright, so we go get this rice. I'm finna rinse it off with some cold water. Put it in the shit to boil. So we got our rice on the stove, and we got our broccoli on the stove. Yeah, I'm gonna cover this, because that's what it says on the directions. The rice is done. I finished cooking the rice. Yeah, the broccoli is done. Butter and sugar in the rice, and then I'm finna season the broccoli. The potatoes is almost done, and then I'm gonna put those on the plate.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it started, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck you.
Alright, y'all, can y'all see me? I think y'all can see me. So I got 8 containers right here. 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So I'm gonna do 4 of each meal. I finished cooking all of the sides. I'm ready to put them in a bowl so that I can clean up right there and then cook the meats and then just finish it off and putting the meats in there. Because it's too much going on. I told y'all I don't like when there's be too much going on. So I'm ready to put the sides in here and then we'll move on to cooking the meats. Okay? Okay.
Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you be too tight. Tight. No place to unknown friends. You don't need a man, got your own friends. No kid, money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep. Watch your back and knees.
Okay, so this is what we got so far. I thought I had enough broccoli to do broccoli for all 8, but I didn't. So the broccoli with the rice, this gonna go with the chicken. We got the potatoes, this gonna go with the peppers and steak. It's still gonna be good, y'all. It's still gonna be good, but we gonna leave this right here for right now. I'm gonna put the tops on them, and then we're gonna leave this right here for right now while I cook the chicken and the steak. Okay? Alright, y'all. So Savannah went to the store. I told y'all we gonna do like a little competition or whatever, all about me posters, but we gonna do it on each other, and y'all know who not losing. Okay, so we got 2 posters. Let me tell y'all, when COVID had started, I remember the first day they said we won't go back to school. I had an English project or whatever, and I was late on it, and she had gave me an extension or whatever. She gave me 1 more day to do it. So I remember that day I rushed. I went to go get a poster just like this one, markers, markers, color pencils, all that shit, so I could do the English project. And I did so good on it. Y'all, tell me why I did that project and it just sat in my closet, because we never went back to school. So I never got to turn that project in. It blew me so bad. Nobody ever got to see that project. I did all that work for nothing. She just gave everybody an automatic A. So you telling me I could have left all that shit at the store, y'all? I was up doing that project, like, ugh. So we got posters, we got rulers, these ones as well, colored pencil. I'm excited.
Never get enough, never get enough. Never Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone when I'm calling. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a two-tone Maybach, pillows in the back. Too many rounds and they fully aching, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still owe me? How you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Gunna fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go toast, but she who go, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I how you get that shit?
In here, dressed and ready. I ain't even really put no outfit together or nothing like that. I did it, just slipped on something. So I got on this hoodie, Future hoodie. I think it's so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. It's in sweatpants, Asics. I'm gonna give me some more Asics, y'all, because I like them so bad. Like, my favorite shoe really is Yeezys. Like, I gotta give me some more Yeezys too. That's the fit. We ready to go see Venom. I'll see y'all there.
Let me best hit with John too rich to drive a road. Walk my shit like plumber, me and Gunna diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just all grinding for a month. Little hop out dump, shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that?
The king in black is awake. I will kill your world.
I feel like my TV is off. Hold on. It's going on 1 o'clock. It's dead. It's like 12:52. And I just woke up at like 12. I did not go to sleep till about 4 in the morning, y'all. Yeah, I ain't been to the gym in like 2 weeks. So I'm forcing myself to go to the gym right now. I'm gonna do some Quickweave maintenance, wash my hair, and re-flat iron and re-curl it.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back from the gym. My camera is always embarrassing me. It died when I was in the gym. I'm ready to start washing my hair, you know, doing some maintenance on my hair, something I don't feel like doing. Like, alright, so let's see what we're working with. Okay, y'all see, like, it be looking, it don't look that bad, but y'all, I swear it's that bad. Like, I'm ready to go and wash my hair off camera. So I'm gonna come back after I wash it and blow dry it, because I don't want that loud ass blow dryer. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I just finished blow drying my hair and so yeah. This is the hair blow dry. When I blow dried my hair, I used this. So I used a little bit of this. I put like literally a tiny amount and then I spray some of this and I go ahead and blow dry it. Before I curl my hair, I'm gonna straighten it and I'm gonna curl it and I'm gonna pin it up. Okay? Okay.
Just ask me. You might, but you pretty. I don't want you in public.
I mean, you was right here. You was staring at me the whole time.
And that's just all of real life is.
I could leave it straight. G.R. was my favorite rapper. Alright y'all, so I just went through, I straightened my hair. It don't really look that different from when I blow dried it. I'm telling y'all, it'd be making a difference. It'd be making a difference. It's real soft, real cute. Low-key is making me want to keep my hair straight. Like, do I want my hair straight? What y'all think? Should I have my hair straight? Or should I just curl it? I'm gonna curl it, but I want them to be like, I don't want no tight curls. I'm gonna pin it up so that I can get in the shower after.
Sex don't feel the same when you in love. Check out at the lobby. You run in with a bird brain, you gotta turn us to a patty. A whole bunch of dead niggas. 5 mil, 10 mil, and I keep G's. Whole lot of G's. Chris cap on my body. Whole lot of C's. Used to be catching bodies. Whole lot of B's. Codeine and Rocky and me in the lottery.
Alright, I finished curling my hair. I pinned it up. Kinda pinned it up. This is not really how you do pin curls, but who really cares? But I'm ready to get in the shower, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take them out. And then, yeah. So I'm ready to get in the shower, then I'm gonna come back.
Take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the Google chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. You didn't come this far just to come this far.